friend, one good morning. This is Sanjay Manna. Today I will speak about money. Money is important in human life. Money is like a oxygen. Without money, we can't survive in the planet. So, how to manage the money? How to become a financial confident person? And how to become a financial literacy person? Today, in these videos, I will share my point of view. Before that, I need to go in our school days. When we were studying in 10th standard, 12th standard, that time we no had any money management subject. That is why we could not study money related subject, and our respective teacher, they could not talk about money management subject, that once you enter to the corporate sector, job sector, after getting a salary, you need to budget in order to achieve your goal. You have to organize your money in such a way, then only you will have financial freedom. But due to lack of concept about money management, we are getting unwanted problem in our life. So I will go through three topics, three tips for changing your mindset toward managing your money. So let's start it with the first tips. First tips needs. As a human, we have need. First needs is food. Second need is health. Third need is home, house. Food means the groceries item. If we eat healthy food, by this healthy food, our system will generate energy, and by this energy, we can do whatever we want to do in our life. And health, if we have proper health, then we can do any work. We can go to outside for earning the money also. And house, see, after arrived the home, if we could not able to sleep effectively, productively, then next morning we will not remove anxiety from our head. That is why at least we have proper shade above our head. So we need to spend only 50% money out of this salary. Means if you have 10,000 salary, you have to spend only 5,000 salaries for maintaining your needs. Okay, now I am going to talk about tips number 2. Means want and greed. In human life, we need to go outside for making a dinner, and we need to go out of our state for getting relaxation, and also we need to buy mobiles, gadget for getting more information. So those are the things it's not necessary in our life and not mandatory in our life. So for that purpose, we need to spend only 30%, means 3,000 money out of our salary. Now I am going to share tips number 3, means saving money. So as a human, we can plan, we can organize our thought that but we cannot predict our future. So, emergency time we can handle. For that reason, we need to save money in the bank or anywhere 20%, and we need to give quality education to our kids. That is why we need to save the money. So those are the points I shared to you. If you manage your salary in such a way, then you can handle any emergency situation. See, these videos is for only those people who are getting only 10,000, 20,000 salaries from the company, from the any other sector. So if you follow these tips, then you will fulfill your family's needs, greed. So if you have any other secret for managing money, budgeting money, so please share your views in the comment box. I will reply to you from my bottom of heart. Thank you guys listening my speech since last couple of